All right, can you see now? So this is the RGB text effect, and it is very easy to actually create using just your smartphone. So the very first step is to import a plain background just like this. Let's import a black one for the purpose of illustration. You allow it to load as usual. Okay. All right, now after this you need to change the aspect ratio to YouTube format since you are creating for YouTube. But it seems like this background doesn't seem fit, so let's replace it with a white one so everyone can actually follow properly. Let's replace it with a white one here. I think this is just perfect. So the next step is to hit on the T side to actually add the text before we proceed. Then when you hit on the T side like this, you select this title side. Now, after selecting, you now come to this add a headline. Then I'll click there and then I'll start typing. So for the purpose of this one, I'm going to change it to red since we are dealing with RGB. So immediately after changing it to red, and then I will start typing. I'll click on this edit and start typing immediately to make sure everything aligns very well. So I'll click here to edit and start typing. So let's go. Let's type good morning. Okay, let's add the text again. Then I'll type good morning in red. Can you see now? Now after this, it is still not enough because we are dealing with RGB, so we are going to make them 3. Then after this good morning, I'll just hit on this duplicate like this, and then I'll come to this color side, and then I'll change the color to green. That is for the G. Can you see now? Then I'll hit this check this thing like this. Then I'll still duplicate the green and then change it to blue. Now we have successfully arranged them in threes. So, and how to actually make them to come up just like we intend to do now is to come here and then we move this to the middle to a certain point just like this, and then you split and take this off. Come to this other side, split and take it off. Now let's see what we've got. This is the red, so this is the red, this is the green, and then this is the blue. Let's play back and see. Can you see? Then after this I'll still split and then click on the second one, split again, and then the third one too I will still split. Then I'll now shift this to the front. I'll now shift this to the front like this and repeat same process, and then take this off, and then I'll still come here and take the second one off just like this. Now let's play back to see what we've got so far. Can you see? So this is just how simple it is to actually create this. And if you still want to extend it to play longer than this, you can just easily export this and then you duplicate them as many as you can. So can you see? It's just as simple as this.